Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Araven. If you are new here, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out the new Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. I just picked this up at Ulta. So I have the shade Filter Rich 28, which is described as rich with neutral golden undertones. Looking at this little slip here, I don't know how I feel about the match, but it looks different when you look at it online. Like, it has like not a swatch, but it has the actual foundation out swiped, and it looks like it would be a pretty good match. So I'm just hoping that this matches me. Really quickly, I'm going to read the details that are listed here on ulta.com. I also tried to look for it on Morphe's website, but I couldn't find it, so I'm not sure if maybe it's just only available at Ulta, which is kind of interesting. It comes in 40 different shades. So the details say that the Morphe Filter Effects Soft Focus Foundation is an oil-free, skincare-infused foundation that delivers a natural finish for healthy-looking skin. This Luxe long-wearing formula is designed to blur and diffuse the look of imperfections while deeply hydrating and nourishing skin. Alright, it's actually a really lot, so I'm not gonna bore you with it, but this claims to be sweat-proof, transfer-proof, and waterproof performance that lasts 12 hours. It has hyaluronic acid, boosts moisture levels, and vitamin E, delivers antioxidant protection, pore blurring pigments, diffuse the look of imperfections, natural buildable coverage, long wearing, sweat proof, transfer proof, free of oils, fragrances, and parabens, and the Luxe formula was crafted in Italy. So I do like that this foundation does have hyaluronic acid in it, just because I do have dry skin, and with hyaluronic acid being a humectant, it's definitely going to make sure that it pulls in all the moisture from the environment so that I don't, dry out with my makeup on. It does say that this is a medium to full coverage foundation. Right, so this is what the foundation bottle looks like. It's one of those opaque glass type bottles, and I think it's a pump. Yep, it's a pump. So that's really cute. Alright, so before I start, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Now, if you've watched my other videos before, you know I usually do like my eyebrows and my eyeshadow first, but for the sake of this being just about the foundation, I'm just gonna go ahead and do foundation first. Also, when I picked this up, it did come with a brush. It was free with the purchase. It's the Filter Effect Foundation brush. So I'm just gonna use this brush to apply the foundation to my face. This is what the brush looks like. Alright, I'm gonna start off with one pump on the back of my hand. Okay, I lied, 2 pumps in. A lot did not come out of that first pump. Okay, that's one sweat. Let's try blending it out. Okay, match. See, this is what I mean. This is what I mean. That, where's the box? That does not look like this. This is what they try to play us. I'm telling you. This is a good match though. I'm very happy. By the way, this retails for $20. It feels nice going on to the face. I could see medium coverage. I could see that. I'm definitely gonna go because I feel like using this one all over my face. Please don't mind the shirt. I had a little interview and I didn't
give it all. Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere.
I'm going in with another pop. But I've been kind of breaking out on my forehead just a bit, which is nothing new for me. I feel like since I have such a big forehead, it's one of those easy targets on my face. And I have kind of been wearing my hair in my face as well, so that could also be an issue. I don't put too much foundation under eye. This is because I feel like I'm going to conceal it anyway. Okay, so this is what the foundation looks like on my face. I do think that it is a good medium coverage because I can still see some of my impurities on my face, but not too much to the fact where I would be like there's no coverage pretty much at all. It did kind of, you know, cover up some dark marks that I had. It doesn't look patchy at all. I don't think it was described as being a matte foundation because I'm definitely getting a little bit more dewy. And that could be, you know, with the mixture of hyaluronic acid, maybe it's coming off that way. Yeah, I don't think it's bad coverage at all. This isn't a weird tip because I plan on working out after this, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face really quickly and come back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Ignore my bangs because when I had my headband on, I had my bangs pulled back and now they're like this and not like this, but it's okay. But yeah, so this is what the foundation is looking like after I went ahead and did the rest of my face. It still looks pretty good. I used the Juno & Company Juno Blur Makeup Setting Powder to set my face, and then afterwards I went in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And so far I'm not mad at it. You're looking at it. I'm trying to get a little closer so you can see it. But it doesn't look bad. Like I said, I mean, like I have some acne, so it's peeking through a little bit, the texture. But other than that, you know, it's pretty nice coverage, a good medium coverage. So yeah, so this is what it's looking like so far. I mean, I think it's a great foundation. Of course, you know, wearing it throughout the day would be a daily test, a real test for it. Which if I ever go anywhere, I will do that. But yeah, I'm kind of liking how this came out. I probably would choose a different lip color, but the eyes, like, it's got this whole faux cat eye look going on. I kind of did something right there, but yeah, so that is all that I have for this video. If you like the look, if you like the review, please give me a huge thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe down below. Also comment whether you think you're gonna get this foundation or if it's just not worth your time. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.